Hi guys, back with another try on. So this is what I ordered versus what I got. So this is the item that I got here, which is a thonkini. I did get this from Temu. I think this was around $6, you guys. Okay, so it is crisscross on the back. Okay, you have the front part to cover the little goodies in the front. Okay, and then you have the thong for the back side. Okay, very good stretchy material here. You do have the cups on the inside. I think I ordered this in the size medium, but you do have padding here to cover the nips. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the body. Okay, very nice and cute. Okay, with the strings on the sides. Okay, I really like this thonkini. This is my very first thonkini. Okay, I can't really show you the back because it is out. Okay, now the bra portion was kind of too small for me. I ordered a medium, but I couldn't go bigger because the bottoms would have been too big. So I'm going to kind of wear half of my boob out, half of it in. But if you want to wear your boobs all the way in, this is how it looks with everything all the way in there. Okay, you guys. So again, I love this thonkini. My very first one. Okay, very nice and cute for the summer. Okay, I'm in Texas, so it is hot outside. Okay, so next up we have on the list this is what I ordered. Okay, this is a cover up. Okay, and then this is what I got here. Okay, now I do have a con to say about this material. I did not like the material. It's very cheaply made. Okay, and I didn't like that it was up under my armpits way too far, so no breathing room. So this is how it looks. Okay, the sides are out, and then you have the straps at the top. Okay, this is kind of like a little dress. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here on the body. Okay, once I do, show you the 360 of this unit. And yeah, so this is how it looks like, you guys. And I think I paid like $2 for this. It wasn't that expensive, but this is very good stretchy material. So this is how it looks on the body. Okay, very nice and cute. Again, as you can see here, you guys, underneath the armpit, it goes up way too high for me, so I did not like that. I do love that the sides are out. Okay, finna do a 360 for you guys so you can see the back. Okay, so if you don't want to show too much of your goodies, this is a good alternative to wear on top of your thonkini so that you won't have your goodies out. I love the size of this. This is perfect for this thonkini. Okay, it fits very perfect. And this is what the front looks like. So what I'm going to do to alter this is I'm going to actually take the straps off if I can. So I'm gonna show you here if I take the straps off how it's going to look. And I kind of want to make kind of like a tube top dress. Okay, so let me show you guys here what it's going to look like if I do take the straps off of this particular cover up. So this is what it will look like if I'm able to alter the straps. I actually like it this way because it's not under the armpits. It's going to cover the back side. It's very cute, and you can still see your swimsuit on top. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. So this is next up on the list. This is what I ordered. This is another cover up, you guys. So really nice and cute. Okay, now when I got this product, I wasn't too pleased because it was very small. So I thought, so what you're going to have to do is stretch it out. So this is the material here. Again, this is another stretchy material, so this is one size fits all, and you just have to stretch it out so that it can fit the body. So you do have the halter top at the top, and then you have the strap at the back so that it can fit the back portion of your back and it doesn't fall off or sag too low. Okay, so again, this is stretchy material. I give this maybe a 6 out of 10 versus the other one I probably would have gave it a 4. So this is what it looks like on the body, kind of similar to the mannequin. Okay, and as I was telling you guys before, I do have my little boobs out at the bottom. This is how I will wear this. Okay, this is a very cute, nice summertime cover up. Okay, you can wear this to the beach. I can't really show you the back because this one is showing everything, but as you can see here, it's really cute, you guys. I did love this. Okay, so again, I did get these products from Temu. You guys check Temu out if you are interested. Okay, and if you did enjoy this video, of course, thumbs this video up, subscribe to the channel, and leave in comments down below. Let me hear your thoughts on what you feel about these items. Okay, and you guys stay tuned until next time. I will be dropping more videos, and if you did not check out the previous Temu haul, I will place the link down in the description bar below, and you can check that out. Okay, so again, I thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay tuned.